y'all, it's me, Arjuna, y'all. So today, y'all gonna be spending 3 days with me at the beach. So yeah, right now we packing up and stuff. We about to go. Yeah, so I'm gonna be right back.
So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? 'Cause my love is mine, all mine. I love mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love, mine, all mine, all mine.
Yeah, so we just got to the hotel and we getting stuff out the trunk now. So I'm gonna be right back with y'all when we we in Virginia Beach. So yeah, so now we're in the hotel and this is how it looks. So pretty. So right now we're just moving the stuff into the hotel. And after that, we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. It's really cute. It's like tiny in here, but it's okay. But yeah. Then you walk into the oh yeah, I tell you, this is her birthday today. This is why we at Virginia Beach, y'all. Right now we're about to go to we going to the beach, right? Yeah. Yeah, we about to go to the beach. Yo, look at that sky. Look at that sky. So right now we're just walking the strip. We going to the beach, right? We're going to the beach and then we're gonna walk the strip. Then we're gonna go to the mall. And we're gonna get some food too.
Yeah, but we're gonna be in the mall by ourselves.
Yeah. So right now we're just right here. The beach is like up there. Y'all can't really see because that tree blocking, but the beach is like somewhere up there. But yeah. Oh, look at the sun right here. It's so pretty. But y'all might get like a little darker. So if I look darker in my next previous videos, then that's why. Because the sun is literally right there. Oh, yeah. But y'all, when I go to the beach, I don't like showing my feet because I don't like how my feet look. And plus, it's just sand everywhere. You gotta put a towel down. You gotta make sure you got that. Because if you sit on sand, oh my goodness, when you take a shower, it's gonna be so hard to get out. So yeah. I want some wings. I want some wings with a funnel cake. And I want to try crumble cookie, yeah. Because I don't know what happened right there, but yeah, it's so peaceful at the beach. Like, just look, bro, it's so freaking nice over here. That sun, it's just, yeah. And my hair is still hard. Get it serious. Yeah. Okay, so I just got done from being in the water in the beach. Yeah, the water is very dirty now, and I don't know, it's just a lot of sand. And I was in there with my socks, so I gotta go rinse my socks off with this water. We're about to go wash our feet off. Then we're gonna just walk the strip and go to the mall, and yeah. Okay, so now we're rinsing off our feet. These are my socks. They covered in sand, so yeah. Shoot. Yeah, now I turn this way. It's still sand on the floor. Yeah, okay, so we just rinsed We just rinsed our feet off, and now we're going to go walk the strip, and we're going to get some food while we on the strip. Well, I am, because I am hungry. I'm starving. So, yeah. We're at the strip. Look, it's really cute. Yeah. I feel like I look black. I mean, I am black. I'm black, but I feel like I look blacker.
Ain't this where we get our food from?
If we got the door on the side, yeah.
You see?
No, that's not it. That's a different one. Ooh, look at that sun.
That is
so
it.
cute. That sun is so pretty. Okay, so we made it into a restaurant. This restaurant is so good, like very good. Okay, y'all. So right now we just sitting at the table. We're waiting on our food. I got some traditional chicken wings with some fries. With a lemonade with some ranch. And yeah. That's nice. But they couldn't refill my drink because I had a fountain drink. But yeah, it was good though. And what we doing now? We just walking the strip again. We walking the strip again. Yeah. Y'all, we literally just locked in his parents, my cousin's parents. We locked him. We was looking for them. We were looking for them around the whole beach, but we just found them, and that took us a long time, like 30 minutes probably. That's a long time to me. Yeah, but we found them, and now we about to go to the mall or either the carnival. I hope we go to both, but we can go to either one. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back with you. But the mall closed, so we can't go there. And I doubt we're going to the carnival. We might just go back to the hotel. I don't know yet. Yeah, so that's the end of 2 days vlog. But we'll be vlogging tomorrow. That's gonna be day number 2. So it's officially the end of day number 1. So yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It's day number 2, and everybody just woke up. I just woke up too. I'm not looking a mess, but yeah, I'm not gonna brush my teeth and wash my face real quick. And y'all, today we're supposed to be we're going to the mall and Ocean Breeze, because the mall opened today. It won't open yesterday, but it's open today. And we're going to Ocean Breeze, and we're gonna stay in the mall for a long time because after the mall we're going right to Ocean Breeze. Okay,
y'all wanna walk around?
Let's go to them.
Oh, where's JCPenney? We gotta go again.
Alright, we gotta go in the elevator. Lord Jesus.
I'm going slow too, right?
Yeah. Alright, it's on the floor 2 right now. I do not like elevators, but I just don't like them to stop. Cause it dropped down. Okay. Yeah, see that? This is where we are right now. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a gift. I mean, not a gift. Something. I'm just looking. It's really quiet in this mall, y'all. Like, it's not that quiet in where I live at mall. But this mall is quiet. Walking into the mall right now. First time y'all, we was already in the mall, but we was in JCPenney. I know the man. Yeah. It's not good. I love this man. The name is Black with the lady. Dang. Wait, where's on the shoe store? Alright, I'm about to go into the shoe store. This is cute. I like the color. That's cute. This is listen. I like using bounces right here. They're so pretty right here. I think they're so pretty. The shoes cute. Oh, look at that. I want to go to the gift section. I just want to look at them. Another clothes store. But I don't have no shoes though, but it's so hot. Look at the cheese. You can put your face on the like on the head, but like you can actually print your own face. Lotto, I love Lotto. Period. Look at Lotto. She's so cute. Yeah. All my life I had to fight. I feel like. But then again, y'all, some of this stuff is awesome. Alright, right now we're going to the Apple store. Like this is like the Apple store, like the look at it, y'all. Apple. So look at it, looks so cool. Why are you looking at vlog? I stopped recording because the Apple man, he told me that I can record and I didn't even say in here or even just in the Apple store. He just said I can't record. He just said I can't record. So I don't know if I should stop recording or keep recording when I get over here. I don't know. So why are we so close? No, let me get in the middle since I'm skinny. Go ahead. Y'all don't push this because it's gonna hit the picture. Mom, this thing's so tiny. Man, I look big. Come on, you gonna hit ready? For me? Yeah. I look ugly. Come on. Okay, get ready.
Ooh, this good stand up. Oh, just
Dollar
stand up.
sale. Who dollar? Cause they ain't
Mine.
none.
So that was the dollar. What style you want?
To continue.
Love. What style you want?
I like
Love,
yeah.
What y'all want? I heart you?
Yeah.
Purchase this mini movie or print more copies.
Can we 3 for 3 of us right? 1, 2, 3. You want me to do it? Yeah.
Look, thank you for using that photo booth.
We took our photos. Yeah, right now we're at Chick-fil-A. I got ice cream. That's it. We're taking the bathroom break, right? And I was waiting for them this whole time, and they sitting here doing the number 2. Like, y'all, I'm really waiting for them. Y'all do fast or slow. Okay, right now we're leaving the mall. Finally, y'all, we staying there for like 4 hours. So right now we're on the way to Ocean Breeze, and we all got on our baby suits. So right now we outside the Ocean Breeze. We just like we walking. We not even in it yet, but we don't know where to go. So yeah, we're in it now. Look at it, y'all. It looks cool. That's not. Right there.
I like this better.
This is I get on that low green slide. Yeah, I'm finna get in there. I just got in the water. I just got in there. But I can't bring my phone because I didn't want it to get wet. But there's so much fun out here. And now we get on the floating thing. So everything for free?
Yeah, we paid for the day, but now
Yeah.
gotta get a float.
We about to get on the float thing. Oh, that's gonna be lit too. Ooh. Y'all gonna be. That's gonna be lit. What before our head? Okay, right here.
How do you come out?
You come out.
It's hot?
Water gonna fall on our head. Sadly, I can't bring out with me because I'm gonna get water on my phone, and yeah, it say no phones allowed too. So I can't bring my phone, but at least y'all get to see me. You know. So, but this how it looks. Look at that. We come down there. Look at the view, y'all. So pretty. Wow. Y'all, we just went on this. Wait, oh my goodness. Do y'all see them floats? That right there? We just went on that like 2 times, and we had to come back to get our phone. Well, I had to, yeah. I wish I could take y'all with me while I'm doing it, but I don't want to get my phone wet. Plus, this ride said no phone, so that's the reason why I couldn't bring my phone on the ride. Huh?
I think you forgot your tube.
Oh no, I went to go get my phone. I left it. I just got it though. Don't let me go. I think you forgot. Where is that too? That was a float. Yo. Hey, like you. Wait, bro. Go. Okay, now it's some real corny people. Okay. And they say anything. Somebody just said, I think he got your tool. Then somebody said he like you. Then somebody said, why would you videotape? Because I want to. But, oh, we found them now. Y'all, this boy said good. All right, now we're about to go to Lazy River. And we're going to cross a bridge to go.
Oh, that was on.
We just, wait, let me turn to the sun. We just got out the thing. And my hair got wet a little bit. So it's okay. I'm about to get on this one right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Man, we about to get there. I'm at the edge of that moment. So look, I got my funnel cake. So we leaving Ocean Breeze. I had a good time.
So you like it better than
It was really, oh my goodness, my edges.
Thing over there,
It's okay.
they got the water right there.
But yeah, we
Sliding,
leaving Ocean
jumping in
Breeze
the
right
water. I
now.
went all the way up there.
I got a funnel cake. Y'all know I got a funnel cake. But yeah, I'm saving it.
Flip, everything.
It was so fun. It's way better than Virginia Beach because they got so many rides and stuff. And my bad that sorry I couldn't record the whole process. I was having so much fun. I don't worry about recording that. So yeah, but I'm gonna get right back with y'all when we at the hotel. So y'all, we got back and now yeah, now I'm about to go to sleep. But first I'm chill on my phone, then I'm gonna go to sleep. And yeah, tomorrow is the last vlog. Tomorrow's day 3, even though I'm still one more day. So see you tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's officially day 3. I hope y'all enjoyed the past 2 videos because I did. We're going to the day bus today. We're going to the outlet. We're going to the mall, basically. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna buy nothing. And this vlog is in the evening. I had forgot to start it in the morning, so my bad. But stay tuned for what we're gonna do today. Okay, y'all, so we at the mall. Well, we at JCPenney's now, and this is where Baby Bus is at. Yeah, we just got here. We're back. We're back on the Okay, so right now we're in Sephora. What you get? Oh, the ordinary. Look. Ordinary.
Get over here.
Look at that green boy. sexy, beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Pull it. How much she gonna get? Okay, she might get a lot. Okay. Oh, why you know 75? We got 150.
Let me do one then.
I didn't say it's going to our car. We got 150. Okay, now we at Chick-fil-A again. We was here yesterday too. But yeah. Y'all, I'm back. We got kicked out the mall because we were too small. And we were supposed to have somebody under 21. And I'm mad because I lost my gift. I lost it. I set it in the bathroom. We was on TikTok. I set it in the bathroom. Then I left it in the bathroom because I forgot it. Then I just realized I lost it when we was in Chick-fil-A. And I came back and it was gone. Like, why do people steal? Yeah, we back from, we didn't just get back, we was already here, but we just chilling now at the hotel, and then tomorrow we gonna be gone. So yeah, actually I'm gonna end the vlog early because I just want to end it early because we're not doing that for real. So, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all like this 3-day vlog because I like it. Yeah, it was a really good vlog, and the best part about this vlog was Ocean Breeze, because Ocean Breeze was so fun. But in the morning we're gonna get up at 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go, and then we'll be at home. But it was a good 3-day vlog, so yeah, I hope y'all liked it, because I liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, bye.